that's how you get her done. Now let's get her. Oh yeah, new tires. Definitely new tires in the next week. That's fucking hot.
Yeah, here Buddy Bucket Drills. Jesse did a burnout this morning. It blowed his G80 locker out of his rear end differential on his pickup truck. That's what karma does when you start talking shit about other people's fucked up G80 lockers, and it fucking broke on you now.
Be loud right here. All right. This is John Force takeoff burnout on our bridge. Hell yeah, that's American horsepower on a slope. Here we go. Spinning the tires. Spinning is not winning here at Extreme Pine Valley Park.
Got to put it in fucking four-wheel, goddamn.
Here's our post-trip, post-race information line. Jesse Bailey spun the tires right off the line. And here's what Jesse has to say about that.
Yeah, I forgot to put it in fucking four-wheel, but that's alright. I'll make sure it's in four-wheel. This road got a bunch of this thing there.
Might poke a tire out, and you'll be fine. 22 on the tree. Jesse Bailey cuts a 522. Pretty good. Truck's moving pretty fast. Here we go. Pretty good reaction time right there. And a 1450.
Hey! Oh yeah. I'll give you see that piece of bark right there? Yeah, sure. That's all I'm giving you.
Another post race information hotline. Jesse Bailey was 22 on the tree, and we're on a 971 and a 1499 in the quarter mile. What do you have to say about that?
Whoa, angle iron, just popped the tire. We gotta go home.
All right, we're pulling up here at Extreme O'Reilly Napa Auto Parts Raceway and track strip quarter mile, and I'm about to try to kill up the tree, maybe about a 499 or a 500, but hopefully it'll be good. We'll just have to see. We'll hail it and turn on the starting line here.
Yep. Jesse Bailey, 515 on the tree. Getting better and better every time. What do you think about that?
Pretty good. I should do a couple practice races. Whoa, angle iron!
Whoa! All right, our post-race report brought to you by Napa O'Reilly Auto Parts.
515 and whoa! Now I got a little bit close that. Sorry, man, I'm not much too. But I got a 515 and a 967 and a 1493 and pretty good. Whoa, guys, this spins.
glide start. A 465 glide. That is no good.
Okay, I fucking suck.
465. And a 1451.
Jesse racing pickup.
Oh yeah, he's gone, man. He's fucking gone. Fucking truck gone. Wow. 1279. 1279 for the Ford fucking piece of shit. Post-race, pretty saddening. Jesse got beat by Ford F-150 pickup, run a 1279. He gets
Whoa, hang on! Hang on!
Wow, got beat by a 4, now he blows his fucking tires. How bad is that? And Pine Belly.
Scratch up tickets like we always do, and
Take a shit in the shower and it's gonna stink and it's gonna mess up.
yeah, they go at the call hazmat, couldn't quarantine this fucking place.
Yeah, that pickup is definitely gone.
Well, at least I traded them. That's all that matters.
They went a 1324 at 102 miles an hour. Jesse Bailey takes the loss at Pine Valley Raceway, Evadale, Vanderbilt Speedway, and
Well, if it was a bracket race, they would have lost.
yeah. Wow, Jesse Bailey, what do you think about the butthole you ran through coming in here?
Well, if I didn't have my seatbelt on, my neck probably be broken by now because I would have hit the roof. That hole was so damn deep.
Wow.
I'm glad to get off this fucking whatever this is, airstrip here, these fucking
We're here at the car wash here in Baytown, Texas, down here in Louisiana. Jesse Bailey needing to wash his truck off after a run last night at Pine Valley, Evadale, Bandamere Speedway in Evadale, Texas. Jesse getting the mud knocked off from the serious mud hose down there. Yeah, you definitely know he's got to clean a good truck off. Pretty good, what he's doing. Pretty good, washing the truck off. Look like a fucking idiot. Acting like an idiot, you don't want to fucking dumbass.
Oh man, Bailey 18 pound red. And we're still gonna start driving. Simpkins 23. Gonna go down there.
stuff, but it's